Hi, and welcome back. As you can see, I got the garage door open today. The wife and kids went to her mother's to visit today, so we're gonna jump on this and try to get some of this done. Oh, we got a little bit of light and air in here. But I think today we're probably gonna mess that same spot and probably try to pull some of the inner rocker off and get that ready for that one pan to come out. And that may be all I do today because it's already hot in here, even with the door open. But we'll see how far we make it. I think this is the area that we'll be trying to take off today, I think. And move all this stuff out of the way and try to peel this back at least to here, so we can expose this part, then that brace that goes along here, and maybe even try to finally spot welds through here and pop those off, because I think I'm going to buy a new one of these. I think this is too far gone, as you can tell. And you can, well, you can stick stuff to it, but anyways, you can see it's pretty bad all the way through here, and especially over here where these two come together, it pretty rusty. But I think we have to pull this off, put the pan down underneath it, and then put this back over it to make it right. That's my plan today. I'll try to do a little bit there, and I may even try to take this bolt out, but I think my focus more on this. Anyways, let's get to it. I don't know if you counted, but there's about a 30-ish spot welds that hold this piece on. Not counting this through here, because I figure once I get all that off, that'll just fall off. But I didn't even count these spot welds that weld it to the floor pan. So I'm hoping this will just come off with this. Hopefully. I may have to cut into here a little bit, but I'm gonna try to take this off now and then start drilling out spot welds. Forgot about the brace spot welds. You can see a few different spots there. We'll get those out, and this should just come on back. Well, I thought I was recording all that, but I guess I wasn't again. Anyways, we have two spot welds right here on the brace, and there's one right there, and I believe one right here, maybe another one right there that we need to get. Because I think that one's on this brace too. You can kind of see it right there. Anyways, we'll keep on. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. We're gonna have to remove all these spot welds right here, I believe. Well, no, we shouldn't have to, no, because this is like the floor pan. It's just cut. There's no lip, so it should come off here in a minute. All right, we got the inner rocker off. This brace, still plenty of metal there. Kind of nervous about it though. Not sure what that's gonna look like up underneath there. But I mean, regardless if we were gonna keep this or not, I think I'd like to get out and go ahead and try to clean this brace up and make sure it doesn't rust out. But I'm pretty happy. We'll try to drill it out, and of course these got to be bent back since I kind of warped them when I was hammering on it. We got to bend these back to this and clean that up so we can get some welds on there. That's what she looks like so far. You can see most of the, or a lot of that frame down there. But I need to clean the garage. Sorry about the mess. But we'll keep on working in this area right here. Hopefully start putting the pan back in, and then we'll put that piece on. Then we can put the inner rocker on, and the kick panel over that, and then get this piece in and patch that, and then put the outer rocker on, and we should be pretty good. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. It's a lot hotter out here than I thought it was, and I gotta go mow our business, so I gotta go get that done before I do anything else. But I'm gonna try to come back out here today. If not, thanks for watching, and we'll continue on. Probably next time we'll draw out some more spot welds and try to get that back pan kind of released and see what it looks like underneath. Maybe look at that brace a little bit. But yeah, I figure we're need to get that so we can start putting the floor down and doing it proper. You know, putting them floor down, that on top of it, and floor up. So, anyways, I had to come out anyways to put that in. So we'll take that out. Anyways, going rambling right now, but anyway, thanks for watching. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, usually on the Bronco. I think next video we may try to take the battery out of the Camaro and put it in the Healy and get that started for a minute. Just kind of make sure there's no critters up in the exhaust or anything like that, and make sure it'll turn over, because it did start for a little bit and run rough, but it ran a little bit. But we might do that, and then we'll jump back on the drilling out spot welds. Figure that's what I'm gonna be doing for a little while at least. Sorry for the lack of content, in better words, or in other words. Just need to get it done so we can start putting new metal in and getting this side done. I hope to have this done by October, and if it is, I'm gonna see if I can't take it to a car show. I think it's called Robbers Cave in Wilburton. That's in Oklahoma. I don't know if any of y'all from Oklahoma, so that's, I think Chester Brown is. But anyways, I'm gonna try to take it there, just show it off. I don't know why, but I want to go to car show. Anyways, if you made it this far, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you on the next.